So this determinant method we are going to start. Okay, this your completed, this fully completed this practice set 1. Okay, practice set that completed. Now we are going practice set 2 was there, 1.2 was there, and that's being completed. Okay, on graphically also. So this was the last question of practice set 1.2. Clear? Now we are going to start practice set 1.3. Okay, and in that there is the determinant method. You know how to find out determinant, solving the questions by determinant method. So I am telling you here. Now for determinant method, so first of all I want to tell you what is the determinant. Okay, and this method was given by the first which Vaikyanic mathematician, that is Swiss mathematician. Okay, so we have to find the solving method of equation by determinant method. Determinant method. Okay, Cramer's rule. Clear? So this was first given by, so this method, this is also method of solving the simultaneous equation. Okay, which one? Cramer method. Okay, determinant method and Cramer method, so both are same. So this method was very first given by Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer. Okay, by Gabriel Cramer. Okay, so it is called Cramer method. Clear? So it is called Cramer method. Clear? So first of all I want to explain you what is the determinant. Okay, you don't know much more about the determinant, so I'm explaining, don't worry. Okay, so determinant, because Cramer rule means determinant method. Determinant, here A, B, C, D. Okay, so this is a determinant. Is a determinant. Okay, of 4 numbers A, B, C, D. ओके, वेयर, तो इन 4 नंबर्स का 4 नंबर्स का डिटर्मिनेंट है, वेयर A com A comma B. Okay, these and these. Okay, C comma D. C comma D are determinants. Okay, are rows. ये क्या है? rows. while while AC BD are columns. क्लियर? तो कॉलम है वो मिल हो गया आपको. क्लियर? नाउ so you got this word. Now what is the value of this determinant? How to determine value of the determinant? Okay, तो उसको देखिए क्या हो जाएगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, व्हाट इज द डिग्री. ओके, तो डिग्री क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ दिस डिटरमिनेंट? ओके, डिग्री ऑफ दिस डिटरमिनेंट इज 2. ओके, degree of this determinant is 2 because there are two elements in each column and two elements in each row. Two elements in each column and two elements in each row. Therefore, this is called as what? This is the order of the this given determinant. Okay, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Order of determinant. तो ऑर्डर ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट क्या हो जाएगा? ओके, देयर आर टू एलिमेंट्स. There are two elements in both row and both column. Okay, therefore its order is equal to 2. क्लियर? इसका ऑर्डर कितना हो जाएगा? दैट विल बी 2. इतना हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ तो इसका ऑर्डर इतना 2 हो जाएगा. नाउ वैल्यू of determinant. Okay, so what is the value of determinant? That is, तो क्या हो जाएगा? If suppose that there is a determinant A, B, C, D. Okay, so if suppose that this is the determinant. Okay, so if is a determinant, is a determinant, then the value of determinant A, B, C, D is equal to what? AD minus BC. Clear? This is the value of determinant. Okay. Now determinants always determinants are always represented by capital letters. Okay, by capital letters. Clear? तो that is A, B, C, D. Okay, dot dot. So this was the determinant method. Now completed. Now come to the, we are solving practice set 1.3. Okay, so 1.3 we are going to solving. First question is there of practice set 1.3. Practice set 1.3. So its first question is there. Find the value of the following. Okay, find the value of the following, that is A is equal to 5 3, 5 3 7 9. Clear? So here two are there. So first is there. Okay, actually this is given example, but I am solving you for just you. This was the example given. Okay. So for that